cause problems all
Hold
the
on,
way.
Marty, it's Tim. Another problem? I'll get with him after you and I finish up. Have a seat.
Okay.
Did you see what's happening? Ben thinks he's multitasking, staying on top of both problems. But it's not multitasking. Reading the message and then replying when it could have waited is something else. It's an interruption. According to statistics, the average time it takes to handle one interruption is 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Not a big deal, right? Well, think about this. How many times are you interrupted in a day? If you're like the average worker, you're interrupted 50 to 60 times a day by emails, text messages, phone calls, employees, and colleagues. That's more than 4 hours of your workday devoted to interruptions. Now, I know what you're thinking. Some interruptions are necessary. They come with the job. And you're right. So, let's say half are necessary. That's still 2 hours a day of unnecessary interruptions. Time thief? You bet. So, what's the solution? Planning and self-discipline.
Email, voicemail, text, caught up for now. Tom and Marty should be here any minute. Ah, here they are.
Hi.
Hi, Marty. Tom, have a seat.
Do you need to get that?
No, I'll get it later. Let's get started. Here's plans for the latest contract week.